Thank you everybody for being here today. 2 Corinthians 13 verse 1. In the mouth of 2 to 3 witnesses shall every word be established. Let the following 3 verses serve as witnesses of the testimony of my love to you. Witness 1. Proverbs 31 verse 10. Who can find a virtuous woman? For her price is far above rubies. I am thankful for the blessings you're adding to my life that cannot be valued. You're worthy of being loved and catered to, and God bless you for blessing me with these riches. Witness 2. Proverbs 18 verse 22. He that finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. I accept the favor, I accept the blessings. I celebrate the goodness, I celebrate the riches, and I testify of God's glory and favor in my life. Witness 3. Ephesians 5 verse 25. Husbands, love your wives even as Christ also loved the church and gave himself for it. As you become my wife today, you're giving me the best opportunity any man can ask for. The purpose and fellowship of being more like Christ as I love you more each day. I loved you yesterday, I love you today, and I shall love you forever.